you know what time it is. It's time to enjoy nature by cutting it back. We're gonna go tame some nature, and my special guest today will be Jay Miles on Enjoying Nature. Enjoying Nature with Mike Franzman. Safety first. The vegetation on this corner gets so high that it actually obstructs your view. If you're waiting here to pull out into traffic onto this main road, you can't see the oncoming cars. Frankly, it's dangerous. I don't know how high it would get before the city steps in and cuts it down, but I've been doing it myself. Today, I'm enlisting the help of my friend and neighbor, Jay Miles. So between the two of us, we will chop it down, clean it up. We'll make it safe for pedestrians, cyclists, and drivers alike. All right, here's Jay's house. I'm surprised he's not out here already waiting for us. Let's see if we can find him. Are you ready?
Let's go!
We got our tools, we have our bucket to contain all of the mess. Traffic is our main problem here.
We're being safe, right?
Yeah. Look at Jay risking his life. He's risking his life to clean up the city. Boy, night and day, what a difference. I like that you're going the extra mile and even picking up the trash. You're the man.
Stop littering, you filthy animal!
Is that a Joker card?
Listen, I'm not jokering. Stop littering, you freaking clowns. Is that the voice? Is that the voice he does?
I confuse his voice and Batman's. Like halfway through the movie, they're all like,
Where is he?
wait, who said that? Was that the Joker? No, that was Batman.
Where are they? Where is he?
All right, let's see how it looks pulling into traffic. Oh boy, that really looks nice now. 100% view. Jay, wake up, man.
What? You get out of here! Get off my lawn!
It's
Get
a mess.
out of here already with the weeds.
Let's do this one.
It's my yard.
All right.
That's what is wrong with you?
Check it out. How do I shut your light? Is there a switch?
The one that's up.
Do you want to be holding the clippers or something for effect?
That's kind of funny.
So I'll wait here. Ow!
Take two.
No, this is all gold. What the? Can I just power through it? I don't want to break anything.
Just shake it a little bit, back and forth.
Are you ready?
Let's go!
Dude, that really hurts. Does that
You
what
okay?
happen to you?
You alright?
Like it just stopped and my hand was on the thing.
It catches sometimes.
Ow! Okay.
Bloopers. Mike and I have already been mistaken for city employees.
Now, if only we can get a raise.
Yeah, well,